There's a new study that suggests the San Andreas fault line isn't the only one Southern California should be worried about.
In fact, that study says two of the West Coast's biggest faults could trigger each other, leading to a disastrous Mega-Quake. Oh dear. KCAL News assignment editor Mike Rogers at the desk. Mike, tonight you had a chance to speak to a USC professor about this new research.
Yeah, I did, Pat Rudabay, and I want to be clear here. The research sounds alarming, and it certainly paints a very concerning picture. This is a USGS map, and what we're looking at is the San Andreas Fault. So the San Andreas Fault roughly is this one. I'm going to turn this off so you can just kind of see it as a plate boundary. Now, we know that the San Andreas Fault has a northern portion of it and a southern portion of it. So it's split up, right? And basically, researchers don't have any connection from northern San Andreas Fault to southern San Andreas Fault. But there is another zone up here called the Cascadia zone that this new study says earthquakes that have happened up here in this zone, they have evidence, they say, to prove has almost immediately triggered an earthquake on the San Andreas Fault. Now, they say after thousands of years of studies, they've unearthed, literally unearthed data that proves that this is the possibility of happening. Now, the expert that I spoke with tonight says this is a very unique situation and says the author of this study isn't afraid to make assumptions and also says that this is something that he has been kind of theorizing for the last 20 years. Now, while he does say that the evidence in this study does make the idea a little bit more, we'll say, possible here, he does say that it's still pretty unlikely.